Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide the S Pen Air Command icon on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then in here, tap on Advanced Features. Next, in Advanced Features, you want to go down and tap on S Pen, then tap on Air Command. Now scroll down and then tap on Show Air Command icon. Tap on the toggle button to turn off Show Air icon, or you can tap on the toggle button to switch it on. And this is the air icon right here. When you tap on it, it will bring up a shortcut menu. From the shortcut, you can then quickly open up one of the shortcuts. And that's it. So if you switch it off and you need to access Air Command, you can have your pen hover over the screen and then press on the button. This will bring up the shortcut menu without having to use the icon on the right hand side here. So we can turn off Air Command icon. If you turn power of this off, then you won't be able to access the shortcut menu when you press on the button on the pen, or there are no icons for you to tap on. And so turn on or off as you need. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.